So let me ask you two questions. These two questions are going to tell you whereabouts you are in your life. These are really important, so bear with me. Answer them as honestly as you can, and I know this video will help you. So answer these two questions as truthfully as you can. Are you searching for true happiness and purpose in your life right now? Is that what you're truly doing in your life? You're looking for what you're supposed to be doing. You're looking for what makes you truly happy. If you didn't need to work another day in your life, you would carry on doing. Doesn't matter about money or anything like that. And also, does it feel like you're always chasing something, but it just feels out of reach, even though you're trying your best, you're giving your best efforts? Because we are often told, and I grew up like this myself, we are often told that success and wealth makes you happy. What if I told you it is so much more than that? That is not the whole story by any means. What if the key to feeling happy and to feel whole in your life, to find that purpose, lies somewhere else completely? So money, it's a tool. It can alleviate stress to a degree, but in my view, if you are working day in and day out, 8, 9, 10-hour shifts every day, does that really equal happiness? Even if you enjoy your job, in my eyes, in my opinion, that's not living a life. We all have a certain amount of time on this earth. Okay, so imagine your life as a garden. If you were to buy all the tools all the time, and think of the tools as money and possessions, but you don't focus on the soil or the seeds at all, and think of the flowers as joyful moments in life, true happiness, the things that really matter. You're just focused on the tools. Well, your garden's not gonna grow well. The flowers aren't gonna come up and bloom into beautiful flowers, right? Well, if you don't focus on the soil and the seeds, you're not going to experience the true joy or happiness. If you're only focused on buying the tools, the money and possessions, your life, your garden, your life isn't going to blossom. It's just going to grow weeds and weeds take over. I've seen millionaires deeply depressed. They're millionaires. They have all the money in the world. They don't need to work. They've just released a new book. They're on the front cover of a magazine, but they're going to therapy for depression. True joy isn't about the size of your bank account. It's about the richness of your experiences and your connections. The secret to a truly rich life, the one that brings lasting joy and happiness and purpose, isn't about accumulating things. It's about investing your time to really nourish yourself, your soul, and what you want to do in your life. Love, connection, kindness, gratitude, just to name a few. Spread love everywhere you go to everyone you meet. Acts of kindness. They don't just benefit the people that you do them for, but yourself as well. They boost your happiness and they reduce anxiety by so much. You can make someone's day with a nice smile, or giving up your seat on a train to someone who could really just do with a sit down. A single mum with a kid, an elderly person, whoever it is. These simple but powerful acts of kindness, they don't just echo through your day and your life, but theirs as well. And it snowballs to other people and other people. It's like a rippling effect when you throw a pebble into the water. So be grateful for the simple things in life. A warm cup of tea, a walk down the beach, sitting beside a river, birds singing, the sun, just being able to breathe. That you're alive right now and you're free and you're able to do pretty much anything you want to do. These little things that are often overlooked are the building blocks to a truly meaningful, happy, purposeful life. Because let me tell you, life is so unpredictable. It can things can change in a split second. I have been there. A few years ago, something happened. Things like that, they change the way you think about life entirely. Sometimes it takes something like that to make you see how kind of almost delicate our time here is, and you just want to spend it as wisely as you can, and recognizing that we all have just a limited amount of time on this earth, and it can go in a split second. It can actually, recognizing that can actually reduce your anxiety, because it can encourage you to live in the here and now, the present moment, and not worry about tomorrow or what's going to happen. Just live right now, what's going on right now. Take a deep breath. And just rest in the present moment. It sounds so simple. It's one of the most powerful things that you can learn to do. So don't postpone joy. Don't wait for a future date to start living a happy and joyful life. Start today. Think about steps that you can take just to get out of a rut, or to, if you're worrying, to stop that. Tell yourself, don't dwell on unnecessary, often completely untrue things. Go out for a walk in the fresh air. Find a group of people to just hang out with. And honestly, let gratitude every day be your guide. Wake up in the morning, be grateful for waking up and being alive. And when you go to bed, be grateful for what you've been able to do that day. This shift in perspective can truly be the key to unlocking a fruitful life, and often unlocking and finding out your unique purpose in this life as well, leading to a life that is rich beyond any measure, no bank can hold it. You will be rich in what matters. You're rich inside yourself, far beyond any monetary value or things. So treasure your children. I have a little daughter, and she is growing so fast. These precious moments, they fly by, they grow so fast. So play with them, connect, be silly with them. Cultivate your garden with flowers, and if you do have weeds, pull them out and start planting those beautiful seeds that will blossom into flowers. I know this sounds a bit cheesy, I don't know, but it's so true. I hope this message is resonating with you. You know, this is the first step in really cultivating a rich life, truly rich life. I keep saying this, a truly rich life of joy and happiness. One thing that you can start doing today, I do this all the time, is just wherever you are right now, let's do it together right now. Wherever you are, I'm here right now. I'll show you where I am. I'm sitting next to this gorgeous little stream. I'm out in nature. So wherever you are right now, let's do it together. Take a deep breath and just be still. This might feel weird if you've never done this. Just be in the moment right now, wherever you are. It's great to be out in nature doing this, in the park, sit on a bench. Just away from your phone. You don't have to go on your phone when you're out. Just be in the moment. Listen to the wind in the trees, the birds singing, and just be present. Well, that's one thing you can start doing today, right now, to change your perspective and change the way you live your life. Doing these simple yet powerful things, such as being present, rewires your brain. There are so many studies now on how powerful it is just to do these little practices, which I'm going to make more videos on. So can you do just one thing for me? If this video resonated with you, if you found it helpful, please give it a quick like. It helps me so much and helps my new channel grow. And of course, if you want to subscribe, please do so. I will see you soon. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.